In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Hubspot. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the left sidebar. This is where you will find the main navigation options for your site. Click on Apps, and then select App Market. This will open the marketplace, where Wix offers integrations and tools that can extend the functionality of your website. When the App Market loads, go to the search bar and type Hubspot Integration. In some cases, it may also appear as Hubspot Sync, so keep that in mind if the first search term does not bring it up right away. Once you find the correct app, click on it to open the App Details page. This page gives you a quick overview of what the integration does and how it connects Wix with Hubspot. Next, click Add to Site. Wix will then prompt you to review the app terms and the access permissions it needs. Take a moment to read through this carefully so you understand what data and actions the app will be able to access. When you are ready to continue, click Agree and Add. This confirms the installation and starts the connection process. After that, you will be redirected to Hubspot. At this stage, select the Hubspot portal you want to connect to your Wix site. This is important if you manage more than one portal, because you want to make sure you are linking the correct account. Once you have chosen the right portal, click Connect App. You may be asked to log into your Hubspot account if you are not already signed in. After the connection is approved, the last part is setting up your automatic sync preferences. This is where you decide how data moves between Wix and Hubspot. Configure the sync for contacts, so new or updated customer information can flow into Hubspot. Set up form submission syncing if you want inquiries or lead form entries from your Wix site to appear in Hubspot automatically. You can also enable customer site activity syncing, which helps track how visitors interact with your site and makes your Hubspot data more useful for marketing and follow-up. Once these settings are in place, your integration is ready to work in the background. It is a simple setup, but taking a moment to review each option carefully can help you avoid confusion later and make sure your data is organized correctly from the start. That covers everything you need to know.